Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Acorn chairlift. First, and most importantly, ensure the power supply is completely disconnected to prevent any electrical hazards. Next, gather your essential tools, including a set of wrenches, various screwdrivers, and a sturdy lifting device. Taking a moment to understand the chairlift's main components, like the track, motor, and seat, will make the entire process much smoother and safer. Now, let's move on to disassembling the main components. Begin by carefully detaching the chair unit from the rail system. This usually involves unbolting it from its carriage. Next, you will need to disconnect the motor unit. Ensure all electrical connections are safely removed and any exposed wires are properly capped or insulated. This step often requires a second person to help manage the weight of the motor. With the chair and motor removed, it's time to tackle the track. Begin by unbolting the track sections from their mounting points on the wall or floor. It's best to work systematically, starting from one end and removing one track piece at a time. Remember, these sections can be quite heavy, so having a second person to assist with lowering and carrying them will make the job much safer and easier. You're almost done. After all components are removed, thoroughly inspect the area for any remaining fasteners, brackets, or debris. It's important to leave the space clean and clear. Finally, ensure you properly dispose of all chair lift components according to your local waste management regulations. Many metal parts can be recycled, which is a great way to minimize environmental impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.